Good morning mo pahinga aga mga kasangkayan. So I've got Philippine native orchid blooms for you today. And ngayon I have this Dendrobium anosmum, and I think this is Phalaenopsis aphrodite. I'm not sure kasi kung minsan there was someone who identified this as Phalaenopsis sanderiana white form, but I'm in doubt kasi ang pagkakaalam ko dito is this is Philippine native Phalaenopsis aphrodite. So ayan, may may isang spike with buds na hindi pa nagbubukas, but the other spike is already in full bloom. So nandito siya sa puno ng langka, naka-mount dito mismo sa harap ng aming bahay. So this is a very beautiful Philippine native orchid species, and I think once lang to na mumulaklak sa isang taon. So dito naman I think this is the same kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo kanina, there was someone who identified this as Phalaenopsis sanderiana white form. So I'm not sure, but I think this is the same as the first one. So only the orchid experts can identify what is the idea of this one. So nakamount siya sa isang old tree fern. So ayan, this is a very beautiful. Look at this, ang ganda talaga niya. And also so isang spike lang to, but ang dami niyang bulaklak sa iisang spike kasi kaya napakaganda rin tingnan. Ayan maganda siya. Yan yung niya, yung details ng kanyang bulaklak. So it's for the expert to identify what kind of Phalaenopsis is this one. So para sa akin lang na hindi orchid expert, I think this is the same with the one na itong una at saka yung pangalawa na pinakita ko. This is the same Phalaenopsis species. So ayan, so I have 3 na nakamount dito sa jackfruit tree. Dito naman ayan meron ditong nag-iisang Dendrobium anosmum flowers. I don't know what happened na isa lang siya. Dito naman hindi ko na na-videohan when the flowers open, but that was Phalaenopsis leodemaniana. So this is the other Phalaenopsis no. Dendrobium anosmum, very sweet scented Philippine native orchid species. So napakabango talaga ng bulaklak nito. So dito tinatawag din to na sanggumay o latigo de caballo. So I think that would be all for now.